If you think technology can solve your all security problems, then you don't understand the problem as well as you don't understand the technology. Jai Hind everyone, today my lecture topic is cybercrime. Friends, cybercrime can be defined as the any criminal activities that is done from the computer, network device, and any network that is run online. In recent years, after the coming of high speed of internet, we have seen the rapid growth in the cybercrime across all over the world. And in especially India, we have seen many peoples are victim every day from the cyber crimes. In 2021, there are more than 50,000 cyber crimes cases are there, and in 2020, more than 80,000 criminals related to cyber crimes were arrested. Friends, if we talk about the main cause of the cyber crime, then first is like passion of youngster. Today youngster are more passionate about mobile phones, the technologies, the computer, Chrome browsers, and they just enter in wrong website and they do wrong things in also some in the games, and they become victims of the cyber crimes. Second is easy access of computer. Today we know that how easy to run the computer. Even a 10-year kid can run computer easily, and these are happening across the India and across the world. And many peoples just with their no mistakes are gonna be a victim of cyber crimes. Some other regions, that is desire of making money quickly. We have seen in e-commerce business these things are happening. People are more eager to make money quickly, and they invest money in a wrong websites, and that's why they're victims of the that cyber crimes, and after that there is no address of that things. Friends, if we talk about the types of cyber crimes, then first is hacking. It is most popular cyber crimes that every anonymous hackers are using their technologies to take money from the victims, and they also enters in their bank accounts details, and from only one link they can hack your mobile phones and computers. Some other child trafficking from the pornography sites, these are also happening around the world. And some others types the cyber terrorism from the babe dark babe, it all things are happening today in India and in other countries. Somehow in India many things are banned, but it is still happening over the world. And friends, if I talk about that what should the government and we do, then first, personally we should be more aware about the technology, and we should use the limited and not enter in any anonymous link that is not security enabled. Second, government should empower the states and should provide money to build good cyber networks and cyber security labs. Third, like India can take the help from the from the friendly countries like USA, Japan, Israel, where cyber securities are so strong. So we can learn from them, and we can sign many MOUs and agreement. And also India have done agreements with the Israel and USA and cooperate each other with in the cyber crimes issues. Friends, in my conclusion, as India is very progressive countries, and here the most cyber threats are coming from the China and some other enemies countries in India. Also in recently happened in the AIMS Delhi. So we need to make more and more strong the cyber related laboratory in India. And in my personal view, we can also introduce the cyber studies in our high school, so people can be more aware and interested, and a student can involved in the cyber studies and become more and more genius in this field. Thank you.